Hi there, it's Amanda with WTI, and let me tell you about this perfume that I love so much, and I bet you will love it too. So this is the Bath & Body Works Wild Scent Fine Fragrance Mist. I love the warm fragrance that this perfume specifically has. Once I apply the perfume, it smells like fruits, and then as it settles on my skin, it has this soft floral note, and with the warm agave nectar, it's sweet but not like really sweet. So I like that. I like to use it if I'm going on a date with friends on a day, since it's really warm and sweet, and I feel really elegant. It comes in a beautiful bottle that has the perfect pump, since it delivers great coverage, and also it fits really well in my travel bag if I want. So if you are looking for a fruity sweetened scent, I highly recommend this one. This is the Bath & Body Works Wild Scent Fine Fragrance Mist. I like so much this perfume. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.